Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be making 3 different types of chocolates. They're easy to make and really tasty. They're a perfect gift idea if you want to give someone special a present. Or if you want to eat them all yourself, like me, Miss G. I just love chocolate. Yummy. So, let's stop talking and get cooking. Date palm is a flowering plant species from the palm family. It's cultivated for its edible fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So sweet. Delicious. Date palm is probably the most ancient cultivated tree in the world. It has been cultivated in North Africa and the Middle East for over 5,000 years. You are so old.
We get it, I'm old. Don't you know it's rude to talk about people's age?
Sorry. The date palm tree was a popular plant found in ancient Roman gardens. However, it did not bear any fruit, as the fruit could not grow in the temperate climate of Italy. Wow! In ancient Rome, they used the palm fronds in triumphal processions to symbolize victory.
Oh, thank you. Ow! Ow! Okay, enough of the palms. Okay.
The benefits to eating dates help our bones, our heart, our skin, our brains, and they're even good for curing constipation and diarrhea. Paste is made from toasted and ground sesame seeds. It has a nutty flavour. Yummy. It's best known as an ingredient in hummus, but it is also in a wide range of dishes from the Mediterranean and Asian cuisines. Sesame seeds are believed to be the first condiment as well as the first ever plant-based edible oil. Oh wow! Go sesame seeds, am I right? Archaeological remnants suggest that sesame seeds were first domesticated in the Indian subcontinent over 5,500 years ago.
Miss G say what?
Ancient Egyptians called sesame seeds sesame. They used them for medicinal purposes. So, Mr. G, I understand you're sick.
Yeah, I'm not feeling
Well, I suggest you go take some sesame seeds to cure that thing you've got going on there. Sesame seeds can be often found on burger buns. Yes, that's what they are. Yeah, they're really good for you. Stop picking them off.
Uh-oh.
Believe it or not, but chocolate comes from a cacao bean. What? You're telling me that this comes from a bean? Yeah, it does. Sorry. Cacao beans grow on trees in tropical climates. They need hot, slightly wet weather to grow. They mostly grow close to the equator. Cacao beans were first consumed by indigenous people over 4,000 years ago.
What?
That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. Don't be upset. I upload weekly cookery videos so you can cook along with me each week and learn interesting facts about the ingredients. So, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another episode. Subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen.